Hey everyone, and welcome to the Great Money Adventure. Are you ready to blast off and explore the super shiny world of coins? Awesome, let's do this. Okay, so first question for you. Have you ever picked up your piggy bank and given it a good shake? You know that jingle jangle sound it makes? What is all that stuff inside? Well, today we're going to become money detectives and figure it all out. All right, our first mission, should you choose to accept it, is to become official money detectives. And every good detective needs their tools, right? Well, for us, it's going to be these super shiny coins. Okay, first up, let's meet the penny. It's that coppery brownish colored coin. And if you look really close on the front, you'll see a famous president, Abraham Lincoln. Then if you flip it all the way over, whoa, check out that cool shield on the back. So, how much is a penny worth? It's worth just 1 cent. Can you say that with me? Ready? 1 cent. Awesome. And you see that little C with a line going through it? That's just a special sign that means cents. All right, next up we have the nickel. Now, you can see it's silver colored, and it's definitely a little bit bigger than the penny. And on the front of this coin, you'll find another president, Thomas Jefferson. So you might be wondering, how much is a nickel worth? Well, it's worth 5 cents. Yep, that means if you have 1 nickel, it's the same as having 5 pennies. Let's shout it out together. 5 cents. You guys are getting this. Okay, now check this out. This is our tiniest coin, the dime. It's even smaller than the penny. But, and this is important, don't let its tiny size fool you. This little coin is actually pretty powerful. Believe it or not, this tiny dime is worth 10 cents. That's more than a nickel, and it's a lot more than a penny. How cool is that? Let me hear you say it. 10 cents. And now, it's time for the big one. This is the quarter. It's the biggest of our 4 main coins. And if you flip it over, you can often find a really cool eagle on the back. How awesome is that? And this big coin is worth a whole lot. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Wow, that's a lot of cents all packed into just 1 coin. You can definitely get some fun gumballs or stickers with a quarter. Okay, money detectives, you've officially met all the coins. That's awesome. So what's next? Well, now we get to put our new skills to the test. Let's try counting some coins together as a team. All right, team, here we go. We're going to start with just 1 dime. Now, do you remember how much a dime is worth? That's right, it's 10 cents. Perfect start. Okay, so we have our dime. That's 10 cents. Now, let's add a penny. A penny is 1 cent. So we have 10 cents plus 1 more. What comes after 10? 11. You got it. We have 11 cents. You're doing great. Let's add 1 more penny. So we were at 11 cents, and we add 1 more. What comes after 11? It's 12. We have 12 cents. You guys are amazing counters. Wow, you were incredible at counting with me. But now, I think you're ready. It's time for your very first solo mission. This time, you get to be the lead money detective. Don't worry, I know you can do this. Ready, detective? Here is your mission. Look at the screen. How much money do we have with 1 nickel and 1 penny put together? Go ahead and take a second to think about it. I'll give you a little countdown. Just think back. How much is a nickel worth? And how much is a penny worth? You've totally got this. Okay, did you get your answer? The correct answer is, drum roll please, 6 cents. Woohoo! Whether you got it right or not, you did an amazing job trying. And that's how we learn. So how did we get 6 cents? Let's look together. First, a nickel is worth 5 cents. Right. And a penny is worth 1 cent. So all we have to do is add 5 plus 1, and that equals 6. See, you figured it out. You did it. Mission accomplished, money detectives. You have officially passed your training with flying colors. You are now a money expert. Let's just do 1 super fast review to make sure we remember everything. Okay, here is your official coin expert chart. Let's go through it. The penny, that's 1 cent. The nickel is 5 cents. The dime is worth 10 cents. And the big quarter is 25 cents. You can even ask a grown-up to pause here if you want to look at them a little longer. I am just so proud of you today. Seriously, you learned about 4 different coins, you learned what they're worth, and you even started counting them all together.
That is a really big deal. Go ahead, give yourself a big pat on the back. You earned it.
So now that you're a real money expert, I have one last super important question for you to think about. If you start saving up all your pennies and nickels and dimes and quarters, what's something amazing you would want to buy? Keep learning, everyone. Keep on counting, and I can't wait to see you on our next big adventure. Bye.